Hi guys, in this tutorial I will tell you how to clear the screen of Python ideally. In this tutorial I am using Python 3.9. You can check for other versions too, but I am using version 3.9. Let me just start up Python, and here I will type a random word so it just fills up my ideally. So as you have known that Python doesn't offer any screen clearing function. So if you type here CLS or clear, it doesn't clear and shows you error because there is no function in it. To incorporate a function, let me just type here import OS. You have to type import space OS, then press enter and then type os.system, then brackets, then apostrophe CLS apostrophe and close bracket, and close bracket. This clears your entire screen. As you can see, there is no trick up here, no editing at all. It clears your screen, and the steps are very simple, and you can repeat the process again. So let me just here type here again, and if you type here os.system close brackets CLS, it just clears your screen. You can use it in the written code too, like I have used here in VS Code. You have to write import OS, and then wherever you want to clear the screen after a process is done, like here for a system. Let me show you how it works. So let me run my program. I will type here my name section. So after this, this whole thing should be cleared and the next process should be started. Hitting enter, and as you can see, what is the max mouse is, that's just my next process name, and it just clears out your screen. As you can see, there's nothing at all, any editing or anything. os.system brackets apostrophe CLS. You can use this in 3.9 as I am using it, and I hope for the best. Thank you for watching this video.